He says he is ... US citizen and the nothing. Correct answer A. He is ... one teacher for this subject and the nothing. The correct answer is the cottage industries supply us ... our daily needs in, from, with, by. The correct answer is with. They prefer begging ... working from than to buy. Correct answer is then. It ... for 3 hours when we left home. Rains, is raining, has rained, had been raining. The correct answer is had been raining. As let's start the lesson. Do you start the lesson? Will you start the lesson? Shall we start the lesson? Can we start the lesson? Correct answer is C. Shall we start the lesson? The negative form of someone said something is someone did not say anything, none said nothing, anyone did not say anything, no one said anything. The correct answer is no one said anything. Either you or your father is wrong. Isn't he? Aren't they? Aren't you? Don't you? Correct answer is isn't he? Nobody's touched her yet. Have they? Has they? Have nobody? Hasn't anybody? The correct answer is B. Has they? The passive form of he wanted me to carry his bag is his bag was wanted me to carry. He wanted me to be carried his bag. I am wanted to carry his bag by him. He wanted his bag to be carried by me. The correct answer is D. He wanted his bag to be carried by me. The active form of this problem can be solved by anyone. No one can solve this problem. Anyone can't solve this problem. None can be solved this problem. None can't solve this problem. The correct answer is A. No one can solve this problem. What ... if I didn't marry you, you would do what would you do? You did you do? The correct answer is B. Would you do? If you had been there, you ... would have punished, would punish, would be punished, would have been punished. Correct answer is A. My brother always has ... his homework do, to do, done, doing. The correct answer is do. Can you get this bike repaired? To repair, repaired, to be repaired. Correct answer is C. Repaired. You can't help ... her to love, loving, loved. The correct answer is loving. It was a ... fight, legal, lawful, legalized, legally. The correct answer is legal. I don't know ... is staying with you. Who is, where, whose. The correct answer is who. We played well ... we lost the game, although, however, so as. The correct answer is although. I didn't talk to her ... her mother, in spite of, because of, for, since. The correct answer is because of. Will you help me please? He requested me if I would help him, to help him. Please help him if I helped him. The correct answer is B. To help him. Do you know where she lives? Does she live? Is she living? Is she live? Correct answer is A. She lives. The novelist and poet coming tomorrow. Will, are, is, had been. The correct answer is R. Mr. Gopal as well as his parents ... present, was, were, be, have been. The correct answer is was. यस्तै क्वेशनको लागि मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्न नभुल्नु होला। धन्यवाद।